In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a form on Google Forms. If you're managing surveys or collecting information, there may come a time when collecting responses is no longer needed. Closing a form is a simple yet essential task to ensure that participants cannot submit anymore once the set period has ended. Let's get started with this easy guide to closing your Google form effectively. First, open your Google form. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and locate the specific form you want to close. If you have many forms, they will all be listed in your Google Drive, and you can search for the form by name. Once you've selected your desired form, you're ready for the next step. Now, with your form open, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a settings cogwheel icon. Clicking this icon opens up the Form Settings menu, where you can adjust various settings pertaining to your form, such as limiting the number of responses each participant can submit and more. Switch to the Responses tab from within this settings menu. This is where you'll have the option to toggle your form's ability to accept responses. Simply look for an option labeled Accepting Responses with a toggle switch next to it. When the switch is flipped to the left, it will gray out, indicating that the form is now closed and no longer accepting responses. If you ever need to reopen it, just flip the toggle back to the right, turning it blue again. If you require an additional step of confirmation, you can quickly test if the form is truly closed. Open a new web browser tab, ensuring you are logged out of your Google account, and try accessing the form's link as if you're a respondent. You should see a notification or message that the form is not accepting responses anymore. Consider tailoring that message for participants who may try to access the form when closed. Click on the pencil icon next to the closed message to customize it. You might include information on why the form is closed or direct them to another place for further assistance or information. And there you have it, the process to effectively close a Google form. Remember that closing your form ensures that no unwanted or late submissions are received, maintaining the integrity of your data collection period. With this newfound knowledge, you can efficiently manage your data collection tasks with Google Forms, ensuring a smooth, organized workflow each time. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to leave any questions you might have down in the comments section below, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials.